Welcome to Yumm Food Hub. Today we are going to make Kheer Puri.
Basmati rice 100 gram. Wash and dry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put it in a grinding jar. Add almonds 15. Cashew nuts 15. Grind it. To prepare puri dough, add all-purpose flour, Maida, 500 grams. Semolina, rava, Sooji, 3 tablespoons. Salt 2 pinches. Mix all dry ingredients. Ghee 3 tablespoons. Mix it well. Add warm milk to knead the dough as required. Add milk little by little until the dough is completely kneaded. Make a soft dough. Apply some ghee. Cover and rest it for 30 minutes. For kheer, boil milk, 1 liter. Add rice and dry fruit mixture gradually. Cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon. After 10 minutes, add sugar 1/4 cup. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Adjust sugar according to your taste. It's done now. For puri filling, take coconut 200 grams. Grate coconut into medium size. It's done now. Chop some dry fruits of your choice. Add chopped nuts and grated coconut. Add powder sugar, 1 cup of 100 gram. Mix it well. Knead the dough for 2 minutes. Take a small portion of the dough. Knead it for 1 minute. Make a small lemon-sized balls. Give it a round shape. Roll it in a round shape up to puri size. Fill with mixture as required. Seal the ends by pressing. Fold the ends as shown in video. Fry in a medium hot oil till golden brown. Ready to serve.
If you like this video, please hype to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.